Was that the doorbell? Oh, yeah, I suppose it was. I don't think she's waking up.
Oh, come on, Stephanie. She's such a sleepyhead. How are we going to wake her up? Oh, I know. I've got a plan. Oh, there she is. Stephanie, wake up, sleepyhead. Stephanie, wake up. Stephanie, 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 wake up. Wake up. Stephanie, wake up. Stephanie, Stephanie, Stephanie. Oh, no, hold on. Oh, no, no, no. Ah!
Oh!
What was that noise? Oh no, I'm late. Oh no, oh, I promised. Oh, okay, hold on. Lucky I'm already dressed. I'm ready to go. I'm here. I'm so sorry, girls. I slept in. All right, let's go. We can ride really fast. We can make it there in time. Wait for me.
Here we go. They're finally on their way. Welcome to LEV Toys. The girls are joining me in my big world. They look so teeny tiny here with all my ingredients. They are going to help me do some baking today. They promised. But hold on. Olivia, if you're just going to climb on the ingredients, that's really very tall. You're actually really teeny tiny up there. You shouldn't be. Oh, she's fallen off the top of the golden syrup. Oh, she's okay. Right. Today, we are going to make Anzac biscuits. Yay! Anzac bikkies are a traditional Australian biscuit, and they are really easy and they're really delicious. And the Lego Friends girls are going to help me here. But before we do anything else, we must wash our hands. And in the Lego Friends case, they are going to have a nice big wash all over because they're so tiny. I don't think I could actually wash their hands. Oh, hold on. Emma's just fallen apart. She's okay. She's ready to help me bake. They are all clean. They look super clean. They can sit up here and drain off a little bit, and I will make sure my hands are super duper squeaky clean. Really important before you are working with any sort of food. All right, girls, let's go. Let's go and see what we need. Measuring cup first, and this makes a fabulous ride for the girls. Speaking of girls, here's my Millie. She's come to help. Hi, Millie.
Hi.
All right, Millie, before you start, you have to wash your hands.
Oh yeah. Have you washed your hands?
I have. We washed our hands before you even got here.
Oh, good.
While you were wandering around the house somewhere else.
So it always falls off.
It does fall off. Oh, Millie, can you not? There's water everywhere. Awesome splashing. Oh, don't flick your feet. Right. Okay, Millie's hands are clean, even though there is now water everywhere. And we have got our cup measure. Thank you. So if the girls could take this cup measure and go and get a cup of flour, please, because that's what we need first. 1 cup of flour. Oh.
Bye-bye.
What?
They wanted it. They even told me to say bye-bye.
They wanted it?
Yeah.
They wanted to go for, actually, they probably, I actually believe you, they probably did tell you that. Now, my mum always said, you need to have a level cup when you're measuring. And it just basically means you don't need a heaped cup unless it asks for a heaped measure. So this is the first time and the last time we're actually going to measure and level the cups. There we go.
Yeah.
We're going to measure them, but we're not going to level them. That's pretty
There
level.
are the girls.
They're still in there. Can they breathe?
Probably. They're Lego friends.
Oh, that makes them magical. Oh, here they come. Here's Stephanie. They've climbed out of the flour. They're covered in flour. Millie! But where's Emma? Oh, the girls say she's in here.
Oopsies. I may have scooped her up.
Oh, look, can she breathe? She's loving it. She's still smiling. Oh, now they're all in the flour.
They're always smiling. They are Lego friends.
They're always happy. They're always happy to go on an adventure. Okay, next, 1 cup of rolled oats. And let's see if you can not dump it on top of the friends, girls.
Yay!
Let's dig them out, shall we?
These are like oats.
Look at them. They're having a fabulous time. They're standing around in there like it's a giant oaty, floury sand pit.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, what do we need next? Another cup. We need 1 cup of coconut, and just not any sort of coconut. This is desiccated coconut, which is like dried out, shaved coconut. So 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Let's see if we can see that on the packet. Yep, desiccated coconut. Let's put it in. Oh, no, I was going to say try and not put it on top of them. Millie, what are you doing?
Oats.
Are you eating the dry oats? Get your hands out of that. That is our ingredients here. Have this vat of dried oats. If you can eat all of these, I will be very impressed. Okay, can we dig these girls out? Not yet. We're going to put some sugar in. So 1/4 cup of caster sugar, and we need a second sort of sugar. We have got 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, and when this comes out, it's kind of like the sandcastle. A sugar castle.
Yeah!
I know these girls are under here somewhere.
An eatable castable.
An eatable castable. An edible castle. I like that. Hold on, where's Emma's feet? Well, there they are. Yep, she's good. Oh no! Oh, nom 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 nom! Nom nom, they're going straight for the sugar. Millie, I don't think they should have all that sugar. No, there's much stamping and... Okay, you need to hop out. You all need to hop out. Out. Because we need to mix this. So out you go. Quick. There they go. Oh, she took a whole heap of sugar with her. I saw. Oh, Emma's had way too much sugar. Okay,
She already has a sugar high.
She does have a sugar high. Mixing all of the dry ingredients together. Now, beautifully mixed. That was great. Super duper mixing. That looks really nice.
Yeah.
Okay, now we need to do the wet ingredients and face first into the butter and just stomping all over the butter. Luckily, we washed these girls.
Yeah. That's good.
It is good, but now they're falling all over the sharp knife. Okay, we need to cut this into cubes and then we need to measure 100. Could you get off the scale? Seriously, we're not going to be able to measure this accurately if you're standing on the scales.
They weigh 10 grams.
All together. So 10 divided by 3. Okay, we need to concentrate on what we're doing here because we need 125 grams of butter and... did it! Perfect!
Nailed it!
We nailed it. Oh gosh. Alright, we also need 2 tablespoons of water. So there's one. Where have those girls gone? I'm a little bit worried when I can't see them. Oh, here we go. Here's Olivia. So we also need 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. Which
I'll
is...
do that. So
okay.
I'm very safe.
Millie. Olivia's going to be so sticky. I was just about to say, it is just like golden stickiness. Look at her. Do you think she likes that?
Very much.
You think so? All right, so that's 1 tablespoon. Oh, Millie, that's enough. Oh,
She loves it.
she's going to need a bath.
She adores it and also a windows it.
Adores it and a windows it. Okay, the puns are killing me now. I think you might have to take this over and you need to put it in the microwave and we're going to melt it, but not with Olivia.
No.
Thank you. Off you go, Olivia.
Olivia does not want to melt.
No, that would be...
Maybe she does.
No, it would be incredibly bad. No plastics
And
in the
sad.
microwave. So
that rhymes.
it does.
And
It's
it's
getting
good
very
time.
distracted. We need to melt this, and while we're melting this, Olivia can have a bath. Here we are. She's cleaned all that golden stickiness off. She is having a marvellous time. Look.
Yeah.
It looks like a little mini spa.
Oh yeah, it does.
It does. Oh, this is ready now, Millie. So,
Yay.
if you would like to get it out and mix it, make sure it is all combined. There. That looks really good, Millie. Good.
Yeah, it does.
Okay, we need our next ingredient, which is half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, or you can also call this baking soda. They're the same thing, just depends what country you're in. That looks really good. Now, what do we need next? Let me see. Oh, look, the Lego Friends girls have brought an egg. Now, this recipe does not actually call for an egg. It must be really slippery out there. Anzac biscuits were actually invented in wartime and eggs were a scarcity, so they were really hard to come by. So this does not have any eggs in it. It also means that the biscuits will last a lot longer than if they were made with eggs in them. So this recipe does not need an egg at all. So
Easy.
yeah, well, it is easy, except we want to take that away because otherwise we're going to find it smashed on the floor somewhere later. I'll put it away safely. If you could put the wet ingredients in and mix them up beautifully with the dry ingredients, we are getting close to making our biscuits. Oh, they love stirring. They are not doing a great job, but they're having a marvellous time. Millie, could you take over, please, with your stronger, big arm?
What is Stephanie doing?
I don't know. She's just looking. She's just having...
Obviously not just looking.
She is going to both in there.
They're dive bombing.
They dive bombed it. They're having it's like a whirlpool. Mind you, the oats would be really good for your skin.
Yeah.
But I'm taking them out and I'm putting them in the bath with Olivia. Could you keep mixing and we'll wash them off?
Oh.
I'll wash them off. Hi, Olivia. Oh no, we might want to get their faces out from under the water. That's better. Now, you can all just hang out. Oh, hold on. You can all hang out here till you're properly clean and then you can come back and keep helping. Now it's time to heat the oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit, depending upon which measurement you use. And Millie has done a brilliant job. Millie, where are you going?
Bye.
Millie, come back. Oh, lucky I've got my Furful to help me. Thank you, Furful. But hold on, before you help, you put the spoon down. You've got to wash your hands.
Yes.
Yes, you do. So
That's very not important.
it's very, very important. Not important. Stop splashing water everywhere. You children. Seriously. All right, Furful, if you could help me roll these into little balls. We need lots of little balls in about a tablespoon size, so like this. And we're going to put them all here on the tray. You are so awesome. Thank you for coming to help me.
You're welcome.
You are such a wonderful helper. Look at these balls. We are getting these made in record time. In fact, we might be speeding this up a little bit. Are we speeding this up, Furful?
I don't know.
Don't you? You can't make balls that fast. What are those girls doing? They're playing in my cookies.
Why are they playing in your cookies? They're supposed to be baking them.
They are supposed to be baking them. They are very cheeky. All right, before these go in the oven, we need to flatten them out. Hold on, no sprinkles. Anzac biscuits would just taste weird with sprinkles on them. Trust me, they will be sweet enough. You do not need sprinkles. Into the oven they go. Oh, they're gonna taste so good. We need to bake them for, if you could put the timer on, Olivia, for 15 minutes. Excellent. And while they're baking, we can do the washing up. Now that is some multitasking. I can smell those cookies. They smell fantastic. They are golden brown and they are too hot yet. You need to back off, Olivia. They're not ready yet. We need to leave them on the trays for 10 minutes and then we can move them over to the cooling tray. Awesome helping, girls. This is looking good. It's like a conveyor belt. Oh no, Stephanie's lost her hair. I might do the rest, hey? Get them over here. You can just sit and watch. You're so helpful. And while I make a cup of tea ready for our fresh biscuit, the girls have made a biscuit fort. That's very lovely, but would you like to taste them? Well, of course you would, and they might not be the prettiest biscuits, but they are really, really delicious. Yum! Oh, they've gobbled them almost all up, but it's time for them to go, quick! Oh, Stephanie, where are the other girls gone? Did they leave you behind? Oh no, here they are. Off they go. Thank you for your help, girls. You were helpful. It was certainly fun, but it's time for the teeny tinies to leave the big world and go back where the furniture fits them. Now, while Stephanie has a very good shower to clean off the rest of those oats and sugar, make sure you've subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you want to see more videos where the teeny tinies come out into my big world. And do check out some more videos while you wait for a new one, which will be just around the corner. See you soon.